Today's self-care tip number 5, the art and strategy of unscheduling. So dear mama, I know you have a lot on your plate. You always do. So today I'm going to lovingly challenge you to remove one thing from your to-do list. Delete one thing. What's one thing that you can delete? And in order to help you do that, I wanted to share this very famous prioritization framework. It's called the Eisenhower Matrix. You may or may not have seen it, but I really loved it when I came across it. It just sort of, again, helps me to formulate a plan, and I like having plans. So let me show you this really quick, what it looks like. And I'm going to have a slide at the end of this video so you can see it again. But it's basically the do's, right? The urgencies, the things that you have to get done. And then the what can you decide to do, right? What you can delegate. And then the last one, what you can delete. So this is the Eisenhower Matrix. And again, I wanted to share it with you so that you can begin to sort of plan out. I know you probably plan. However, one of the self-care tips is to get into the practice of deleting things. And I love this quote. It's the lack of planning on your part does not constitute an emergency on mine. And that will also be on the slide. So take a moment. So be with me for just a minute. Drop in, take a couple deep breaths. And you may already know this answer, but I'm going to ask it to you. So just take a couple deep breaths. So what's one thing you know in your heart of hearts you can delete from your to-do list, from your schedule, from your life? And allow that deeper part of you, that wise mind, to go, I know exactly what it is. And write that down. And then use some of the other tips that you've been learning from me to eliminate it completely. But at least awareness. Awareness is the precursor to change. When you start to realize that certain things are not working for you, then that's a great place to start.